In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit.com as author. We'll walk through setting up your presence, building helpful recommendation lists, adding products with your affiliate links, and sharing your page so it can actually work for you. First, head to the official Kit website. This is where you'll host curated collections of the books, tools, and gear you genuinely recommend. Create your account or log in so you can start building. Next, set up your author profile. Add your name or pen name, a clear profile picture, and a short bio that tells readers who you are, what you write, and what they'll find on your page. Link your key social profiles so people can follow you across platforms. A friendly, specific bio helps visitors trust your recommendations and understand your niche right away. Now, create your recommendation lists. For authors, the most useful categories are books, writing tools, AI tools, productivity apps, office setup, and reading essentials. Think of each list as a focused guide. Your books list might include craft guides and influential titles. Writing tools can cover keyboards, notebooks, or software. AI tools should highlight those that actually help you brainstorm, outline, or edit. Productivity apps can keep your drafts and deadlines on track. Office setup might include your chair, desk, lighting, and microphone. Reading essentials could cover e-readers, bookmarks, and book stands. Strong list titles work well here, like Books Every Writer Should Read, My Writing Setup, Best AI Tools for Authors, My Favorite Productivity Apps, and Beginner Author Essentials. With your lists in place, add products. Use the built-in search to find items from Amazon or other supported stores. Paste your affiliate links where prompted so purchases can be credited to you. Add short notes explaining why you like each item and who it's best for. Then organize everything into clear collections so visitors can browse easily. Keep names consistent and make sure each list delivers on its promise. When your page feels solid, share it. Add the link to your Instagram bio, include it on TikTok, place it in your YouTube descriptions, and feature it on your blog or in your newsletter. A simple call to action like "See my full writing toolkit here" helps people know where to click. From there, you can earn commissions when people buy through your links. Keep your lists updated, recommend what you truly use, and let your Kit page become a helpful resource that supports your work as an author.